So hi everyone, today I have my friend Lisa Galico with me, and she is also a yoga teacher. And we are going to demonstrate how to get into a comfortable seat for meditation. So Lisa is in a cross-legged seat, and the first thing you want to look down at is to see if your knees are above your hip points. And if they are, so let's show them what that might look like. So if your hips are tight, that might be a natural way that your knees will sit. So we want to be able to get those knees down a little bit or elevate the hips so that we can get more comfortable. So the first thing we're going to try is we're going to use a blanket. So we have a folded blanket. You can use any kind you want. And Lisa is just going to place it underneath her hips so it will elevate her and her knee points will be below the hip points. So how does that feel?
Feels really nice.
Nice and comfortable. So a folded blanket. So that's one option. Another option is let's take the blanket out, and we can also take a block, 2 blocks. So we'll place 1 block underneath each knee. And so if your knees are still elevated a little bit, you can place the block underneath the knee to allow the knee something to relax down into. So how does that feel?
It feels good.
And you can also do a combination of these. You don't have to go into it, but you can also keep the blanket underneath the hip and yet still have the blocks for the knees as well. So the next thing we'll show you is, let's take the blocks off to the side. And we're going to use a bolster. A bolster is just a big cushion. You can use a pillow, whatever you want to do. And Lisa is going to show us how you can put it underneath your seat to elevate the hips as well. So she's sitting right on the bolster, and you can see now the knees are down really nice and far. And you can also, if you wanted to, take the blocks and put them underneath the knee. Lots of variations, lots of different things. The goal is to get really comfortable because you may be sitting there for a few minutes. Okay? The spine is nice and tall. Lisa's really comfortable. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Great. And that's how you do it.